Hello children, everyone is doing good? Great. So today we are here for science class. But before starting, I just want to recollect whatever you have done in your second grade. So you have done with external and internal organs. So what you can see here, a picture of a boy, and you can see here nose, eyes, ears, neck, head. So what all are these? These all are external organs. External means the organs which are outside our body, called external organs. On other side there is a one more picture, and it is a picture of a human body. And what you can see here, heart, kidneys, lungs, stomach, brain. So what all are these? These all are internal organs. Internal means the organs which are inside our body are called internal organs. So children, in this lesson we are going to study about the organ systems. Okay, before starting, let us understand a term, an organ system. What does an organ system means? Okay children, do you know the function of the organs? Yes? So what is the function of the lungs? It helps us to breathe. But do you know children, lungs cannot do its function all its alone. Yeah, it needs a help of two more organs. And what are they? Nose and windpipe. Because from nose only we breathe in air, and that air goes to the lungs through the windpipe. It means there is an involvement of three organs. Yes, and those three organs are also working in a systematically way. So we call organ system. So you know children, for every organ system there is a name. So just now we discussed one organ system. So for that the name is respiratory system. So like that there are total 8 organ systems inside our body. Yes, 8. That we are going to discuss further in our classes. So what is our lesson name? Our body a living machine. But children, why we are calling human body as a living machine? As you can see here, a picture of a car. So what is there inside the car? Battery, engine, and so many other things, right? If the engine stop working, what will happen? Car cannot move. In the same way, other side, it is a picture of a human body, and inside organ systems are there. If any of the organ systems will stop working, what will happen? Human body cannot move. So that's why we are calling human body as a machine. But why we are calling living machine? Because human body is the only machine which can walk, which can talk, which can feel, which can eat. Whereas car cannot do any of its function. Yes? So that's why we are calling human body as a living machine. But have you ever thought children that our body is made up of what? Or we can say, how does a body forms? If I will ask you this question, you will say, ma'am, nose, arms, leg, internal organs. That is correct children. But our human body made up of cells, or we can say the basic structure behind our body are cells. Now what are these cells? Okay children, I am sure all of you having building blocks at your home, right? And you will play with those. Yes? And whenever you feel, you will take and you build anything with the help of those building blocks. Yes? So cells are also exactly like that only. I'll explain you with an example. Suppose this is a building block, right? And when you will join another building block, in the same way you will join another, it will take a shape of anything. Now it is a shape of a rectangle. In the same way, cells are also like that only. Cells are building blocks. When the same kind of cells come together, means they will join together, they will form a tissue. They will form a tissue. And when the tissues come together, they will form an organ. So in that way, when 3 or 4 organs will work together, they will form an organ system. And when all the organ systems will work together, they will form a human body. So I will now explain you with the help of the picture. You can see on the screen. You can see here cells, different kinds of cells are there. So when the same kinds of the cells will come together, they will form tissue. And when the tissues come together, they will form an organ. And when 5 or 6 organs will work together in a systematically way, then organ system forms. And when all the organ systems will work together, then the human body works. So children, this is all about the organ systems, cells and tissue. Now, our next topic is sense organs. That also you already studied in your 2nd grade. Yes. And what is the function of the sense organs? That sense organs helps to know the surroundings, that whatever is going around in our surroundings will come to know with the help of sense organs. So there are 5 types of sense organs. What are they? They are eyes. Eyes help us to see. Tongue. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to feel. Nose help us to smell. Ear help us to hear. So do you know children, all these sense organs are connected to the brain through nerves. Means whatever is happening around our surroundings, these cells will pass that message to brain through the nerves. Means nerves are carrying the messages to brain. Okay, I'll just explain you with an example. Suppose there is a beautiful picture in front of you, right? So your eyes are sense organs. Yes. So immediately your eyes will send the message to the brain that there is a one picture. And immediately brain will send message to the eyes that what colors are there in that picture with the help of the nerves. So it means that brain is controlling all the sense organs. So brain makes us understand pictures, sounds, smells, tastes and feelings. So it means that brain is controlling all the sense organs. So children, this is all about the sense organs, and whatever we have done till now, we'll just go through the new ones. Living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Machine, M-A-C-H-I-N-E, machine. Tissue, T-I-S-S-U-E, tissue. Organ, O-R-G-A-N, organ. System, S-Y-S-T-E-M, system. Nerves, N-E-R-V-E-S, nerves. Messages, M-E-S-S-A-G-E-S, messages. So this is all about the introduction of this lesson. So just go through the video twice or thrice so you will understand the concept of this lesson. So children, be safe, stay at your home and take care and bye-bye.